Fiona. Jesus. Yeah, my good God. Look at that. If you have a chef on. You leave it have a chef on. Yeah. Fully green. My God.
In Jamaica now you have to tape it.
Hurricane Fiona. Still look good. Sexy. Kara sexy, you know?
So it depends on which side the breeze blowing.
But the birds them still out. I think big boy. Big boy. Pitbull. Yeah.
Yeah.
He's friendly, right?
Yeah, he's friendly.
He's friendly. I'm friendly with you.
He's like to jump, right?
Yeah.
Friendly. He grew up with a cat. He used to live with a cat. God damn, the wind only blew the leaves off the trees.
Yeah.
Didn't do shit.
Didn't do nothing. I thought it was a category 3.
That's what they say.
Yeah, I think it was category
I
3.
did have a pitbull in Jamaica and then that's it.
Yeah. Pitbulls we had back home.
Oh, no.
Only friendly with us.
Yeah. Protective. They're real protective, baby. You make them like that, right?
Yeah.
Now, he grew up with a cat, so I couldn't make him like that.
Oh, okay.
And then I had kids and stuff, so. He's 10 years old.
Okay.
So now, going for a drive. That's the first one so far. Drop on the house. Somebody cut up this early. You remember how many General League over there so we go? Okay, so we go building over there so.
Oh, I can.
How you going to know full of water?
You can't see the bottom part. It's like asphalt at the top. Come on. So you see the bottom asphalt.
Yeah. Alright.
When you come back.
Jump in there and see.
I lake this and I see.
Yeah, lake.
If I see you couldn't pass this up.
Pass where? Water up on the road.
So when you drive, so how this a record?
Yeah, so, yes, people, we just go for a drive. My mother, we are chill. She kind of called and come to fast driving, so I have to drive 54 kilometers an hour. But it was a good drive, you know what I mean? I got the phone for record a nice little clip and just catch her cord. I start boss, so now I have to drive slow. You know what I mean? So, I left my tripod stand, so I can't even like record no more record. We just go through a wicked storm, well, so them claim, Fiona. Yeah. But some face look rough. And I wash my face all now, so. I mean, unfortunately, I don't know when I'm gonna upload this video because we don't have any internet, any Wi-Fi, we have no electricity. So, I don't know when this video I get to upload. So until then, bye. Peace.